All right.
It's because we're drinking stuff.
Hey guys, we're I'll Be Drammed. Today we are doing a little Bourye blind.
Yeah.
So we have here
Science experiment.
science experiment. So we have the Knob Creek Bourye that they released.
Yeah.
We have the Highwest Bourye, which is highly sought after.
Yep.
And then the fuck
And
you
then we
Bourye.
have the
Fuck you, Bourye.
Fuck You Bourye,
Yeah.
which is what we mixed from the Russell's single barrel, and somebody stole my bottle.
Yeah, it's a 6 year
It's
the
a
ride.
6 year ride.
Yeah. Somewhere.
So
It's
these
around.
are technically blind, though. We're gonna
we don't
we're gonna
know
blind
exactly.
these.
Well, I do.
Bourye's are very popular right now, so we're trying to get in on the craze. See what's up.
See what's up.
Yeah.
The Knob Creek was a banger.
It was banger.
It smells like a Bourye.
Mm-hmm.
I hope they all do.
So if you're not familiar,
That one
a
smells like a
Bourye
Bourye.
is a bourbon and rye blend.
Smells like a Bourye too.
Yes, they all have that same sort of profile.
And I'm going to ask a question that I know we may not know the answer to because we didn't research it. The percentages for each bottle.
Oh, percentages.
Ours is 50-50-ish.
Right. Well, it was eyeballed.
Yeah, 50-50, and so that was a 90 proof and a 110 proof, so we're hoping for about 100.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This, I think, comes out to a 90 proof. No, 90,
Math.
yeah, 92 proof.
113.
92 proof.
And what?
113.
113. So, bourbon X rye, same thing, but...
Jay, what do you think?
Let me plan a date night.
I know you're a High West fan, so you probably have a preference.
Tell me about your day.
My day was
Irrelevant,
okay.
actually, but,
Ooh, one's good.
So, for these to be very different
It's
in
to the
proof,
Knob Creek.
Hmm?
It's pretty hot. I can't tell if it's just proof or if it's all rye spice. So.
Can't tell you. Yet.
I honestly, if you got a 3 yet?
No.
3 seems the spiciest to me.
3 is spicy.
3 is spicy. Okay. All right. And these are all actually pretty good.
What's everybody's... Do you have a favorite?
3. Flavorful, short finish.
Mm-hmm.
Flavorful, long finish, very spicy. Balance of the two.
Which one? 2?
3, I think, is the balance
Okay.
between the two.
The happy medium? All right.
I'm like this.
Okay, so you're 3, 2, 1.
Kind of here. 3, 1, 2.
Okay, and I'm 2, 3, 1.
Okay.
So we
Oh,
all
fuck.
disagree.
We all disagree. We can
The only
disagree.
difference is I know what the bottles actually
We can
are.
disagree that I'm right and move on.
I do disagree.
I think
that
3
you're
is the clear winner here.
Wait, except Kyle, who's
Doesn't
clearly
count.
wrong.
He doesn't count.
3 is a winner. I
The
thought it
finish,
was,
this is flavorful. The finish off-put on me. Like, this was a really hot finish.
And that's the 2 for you?
2.
2.
Okay.
Like, it was a very, like, it's a strong hug.
Yeah.
Y'all want to guess what
And
they are?
not saying it's bad. I'm saying out of the 3, that's not
I
the greatest.
personally, this is my guess. My
All
guess.
right, what do you think's 1?
I think 1 is the High West.
Agreed. That's what I think 1 is.
I think 2 is our blend, and I think 3 is the Knob Creek.
I think 2 is the Knob Creek, 3 is our blend.
So you swap these. He's correct. Okay.
Yep.
That's interesting. All right.
So 1
I'm a winner.
is High West, 2 is Knob Creek, 3 is our blend.
All right.
I think that's why I think this,
So
this the finish.
I like our blend.
Y'all
the
both
best,
like our blend the best.
and you're losing.
I like Knob Creek better than our blend.
You
but
like
you're a proof
Knob.
hound.
I am. I don't. It's spicy. It's not that spicy.
I think the finish was off-putting to me
I like it.
in this comparison. I think
Ours
it's a
is
good
close
bottle.
second.
I think it's a good bottle, but I think the finish was just
So what do we learn from this? This bottle is
Way overpriced.
$90-something and impossible to find.
Nope, not anymore. It's $140 at the distillery this year.
Yep.
Okay, so all right, real good. All right, $45-ish
Yep.
dollars, and currently available everywhere.
that's a blend of a $50 bottle and a $25 bottle.
Yeah,
And you can make
Your own-
1.5 liters.
Yep.
yeah.
Love it.
So we're gonna say that is a roughly $40 bottle.
Yep.
The moral of the story, I
And
would
we let
say,
it
is
marry
that this
for-
is a bad deal.
So it's been marrying for 4 months.
Okay. If you want a Bourye, you can take your own bourbon and rye and make your own blend and
You need to
potentially.
make
So
Bourye
essentially,
cubed.
Highwest was not as innovative as we once thought they were.
Honestly,
I think they're just early to the game. I think they were innovative. I think everybody else just caught up. I do appreciate the jack.
42 or 40
Right, the
points
jackalopes.
or the 46. I think the proof hurts that one. Like 92 proof. It's
The
just,
blend is a
blend's
banger.
good. Yeah, the
The
blend's good.
blend is a banger.
Put all three of them together.
All right, let me see what's up.
That is
That's
the
good.
best.
Yes.
Actually, if you would have blended all three and put them in the blind, I would have picked this.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, we need to start doing that.
Yeah, you might be right. That's
That's a shitty move, but I agree.
No, on all our blinds, no matter what it is.
The
'Cause
last
we
pour
always
being
mix them
the,
all.
being the mix.
that's
Not the
that's pretty
last one
solid.
though.
But I'm saying like the
Make it
the
blind.
final pour out of the blind would be the
Yeah.
mix. Right.
What do you say, Frack?
Let's stop and ask directions.
Okay, he doesn't know where he
Wow,
is.
bro.
He's also falling down.
How many
That's
drinks
why
you
we
had?
didn't pour him anything.
All right,
Whoa, whoa,
listen,
whoa.
listen, bro.
Bro, why are you Hey, are you okay? Hey, why are you
Listen.
swaying, bro?
Listen. All right, we got you, bro.
You'll always be right.
You okay? All right.
All right. Whew. What was your favorite?
I hear you. I'm ready to change.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think he meant his
I for sure know what that means.
Yeah. I mean, not to toot our own horns here, but
We did all right, right?
we kind of made
It
a
is
banger. I mean, it was Russell's, though.
You know, it'd be fun though. Once we wrap this bottle up, do another Bourye, some store picks.
Here's what we need to do.
We do know.
No. Hold on. Wait. We need like 4 more decanters. And we make, stop looking over there. We make several different Bourye's. We let them marry up, and then we blind our own Bourye mixes.
Okay. What
I
I,
do.
want to
I do know a specific
is-
one I want to try
You
because
gonna
we
say the Kentucky Spirit Bourye?
no the one
Store
that,
pick Kentucky Spirit Bourye.
Oh, that would be good.
no the one from Thicker Lake. The notorious RYE and
That would be
Oh, they're not Creek
delicious.
store pick Bourye's.
Wasn't that a Jack Daniels?
it was Jack Daniels. It was Jack Daniels.
The notorious RYE and the
Yes.
But if we're talking about Jack Daniels, if we're going by
Yeah.
their statement, it would be a woo rye because it would be a whiskey rye because they won't call it.
boo, whatever, dude. Jack Daniels is bourbon.
Yeah, it is because we said it is. Mark that down.
Well, it's also because
They meet
It
all the
is.
requirements for bourbon.
you know what else we didn't do? A new riff Bourye.
Here, all right, got it. Russell's Bourye,
Uh-huh.
which we know is a banger. We'll do a new riff Bourye. Do the Jack Daniels barrel proof Bourye.
That's gonna be my favorite.
Stop.
It might not be though.
Hey. Penelope.
Ooh, a toasted Bourye?
Oh wait, a toasted Bourye. What you say now?
Like you talking about Penelope toasted bourbon and toasted rye?
Yes, sir.
Can we make sure they're both number 5 heavy char?
If
You
you
can
can find
if you
them.
want to. You
I
can
don't
do
have
it.
to find them.
You're in charge of it.
Look, I found them.
I found them.
I have them. Those
like
are the
that.
only Penelope Toasteds that I buy.
I like that.
Yeah.
Sweet watch.
Yeah. I like it.
I love it. Next video.
Where I'll be Drammed. This is our Bourye blind. Make sure you like, subscribe. Make sure you check the links for all of our merch. We'll see you next time.
Cheers.
Bye.